The day before the earthquake. The evening news.
A 5.0 magnitude earthquake hits New Zealand.
That's terrible, really. What has been happening these days? It's all about the earthquake.
The next day, one quiet beautiful morning. The house starts to shake.
Earthquake. Oh my gosh, honey, take the kids.
Everybody. Kids. Out.
Are you okay? Is everyone okay? What on earth are you wearing?
Hey. So I look like a mess. Quit laughing. What I wear is my business. So get off my back. Will you? At least, I have my phone and my money on me. All in my Snoring Rhino phone wallet. I see that all of you could not find your phone and wallet when the earthquake shook us up, and all hell broke loose. I got my phone and my wallet, and you guys have bunny ears. Snoring Rhino, the coolest thing ever.